Okay, children. Okay. Again, good morning to all of you. First question I will ask from Aditya Singh. Aditya Singh, your question is, why should we segregate different types of wastage?
Ma'am, we should be segregate different types of wastage to dispose them eco-friendly.
Okay, very good. To dispose them eco-friendly. Very good answer. Acha, 1 minute. I am again asking from.
Ma'am, please ask one more question for me.
Anushka wants know the answer. 1 minute. Rishabh Raj, again say the answer. Why do we segregate different type of wastage?
We should segregate different types of wastage to deposit them eco-friendly.
Ma'am,
Yes. Dispose, not
Yes,
dispose them
ma'am, dispose.
eco-friendly. ताकि
Friendly.
हम उसको अच्छे तरीके से डिस्पोज कर सकें. Okay, आइए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. राइट द, एक मिनट, ये क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी मैं. आयुष राज, एक मिनट. ऋषभ राज, अनुष्का वर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट, राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म.
अनम्यूट ही रखिएगा.
वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग. राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म. एक मिनट. वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग. आंसर आयुष राज.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, मीनिंग ऑफ वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग.
It is the process of making compost with the help of earthworms.
Yes, with the help of earthworms. Very good answer.
Ma'am, example, red worms and white worms.
Yes, very good answer. Next. Which component of air gets used up during the process of photosynthesis? शिवम कुमार.
Ma'am, I know.
एक मिनट, मैं जिससे पूछूंगी वही जवाब देगा. शिवम कुमार दुबे. एक मिनट, शिवम कुमार दुबे. शिवम कुमार दुबे. Which component of air gets used up during the process of photosynthesis?
Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Very good. Shivam Kumar Dubey, can you tell me during the process of photosynthesis carbon dioxide gas is used? What is photosynthesis? Can you define?
Ma'am, repeat.
Can you define?
Ma'am, can I tell?
एक मिनट. First I want question Ayush Raj. What do you mean by photosynthesis?
The process of making food with the help of carbon dioxide is called photosynthesis.
With the help of carbon dioxide. Again say. फिर से बोलो.
When the process of making food with the help of carbon dioxide is called photosynthesis.
Only carbon dioxide?
No, ma'am, sunlight.
Or?
And other raw materials like water.
Yes.
Water,
Minerals.
Okay.
water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide.
Anushka, what's define? What do you mean by photosynthesis?
Ma'am, photosynthesis is the process in which plants make food for the in which leaves make food for the plants with the help of carbon dioxide, water, air, and sunlight.
Yes, very good answer. Very good answer. Next, suggest any 5 activities that can help to save the environment. 5 activities.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
एक मिनट.
Ma'am, Aditya Singh.
आदित्य सिंह को आता है. एक मिनट. जिन बच्चों को नहीं आता है वो चांस देना.
Ma'am, Anushka, what?
मैम प्लीज म्यूट अनुष्का. मैम उसकी आवाज बहुत फट के आ रहा है.
एक मिनट रुक जाओ. फहद अहमद. एक मिनट बेटे, सबको चांस देंगे ना. फहद अहमद, say 5 activities that can help to save the environment.
मैम कौन सा क्वेश्चन?
Question number 4. Suggest any 5 activities that can help to save the environment. कॉपी से देख के नहीं बोलोगे.
Ma'am, I want to say.
Okay, ma'am.
First, I will give
Five
chance.
is to save our environment, and we should minimize use of wood. We should not produce water, air, soil. We should dispose garbage waste eco-friendly. We should conserve water by minimizing its use by the rain. We should conserve plant. We should plant more and more trees.
Yes, very good answer. Very good
Ma'am,
answer.
can I say properly?
Aditya Singh,
Ma'am,
say.
can I say?
हाँ, say Aditya Singh.
Ma'am, first we should conserve plant.
Yes.
Second, we should plant more and more trees. Third, we should conserve water by minimizing its use by rain and water harvesting.
Yes.
Fourth, we should dispose garbage or wastage eco-friendly.
Yes.
Fifth, we should not pollute water, air and soil.
Yes, very good answer. Very good answer. Your answer is perfect. Okay, very good. Aditya Singh.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who? Anushka Vats?
Yes, ma'am.
अनुष्का वर्ड्स से अब एक ही क्वेश्चन में बार बार
5.
एक मिनट अनुष्का वर्ड्स वेट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्योंकि सारे बच्चों से पूछना है दिस इज ऑनलाइन क्लास
Okay, ma'am.
आइए नेक्स्ट D5 okay how does nature maintains a balance between the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere मैं जिससे पूछूंगी वही जवाब देगा अभी रुक जाओ how to maintain the amount of carbon dioxide and water in the atmosphere Chris एक मिनट Chris where is Chris एक मिनट Chris हाँ Chris Raj how does nature maintains a balance between the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere
मैम वो कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है
कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है इसका मतलब नहीं पढ़ता है क्रिस राज
मैम नहीं कुछ बोल रहा है
कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है शिवम कुमार दुबे
Yes, ma'am.
you know the answer
Ma'am, repeat question.
how does nature balance the amount of carbon dioxide and water in the atmosphere
Ma'am, nature maintain carbon dioxide and water in nature by the process of photosynthesis.
photosynthesis and
Ma'am, can I tell?
मैम respiration
photosynthesis है
Ma'am, can I tell properly?
Respiration.
हाँ एक मिनट अनुष्का what
Ma'am, can I?
अनुष्का what say the answer
During the process of respiration, both plants and animals take in oxygen. This helps to maintain a balance between the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
yes very good answer okay so
can I say also
by the help of respiration and photosynthesis it can be maintained Aditya Singh say
yes ma'am
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
yes your answer is correct Aditya Singh you also say
yes ma'am nature maintain a balance between the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by the process of photosynthesis and respiration
वेरी गुड आंसर कितने बच्चे अच्छे बोलते हैं कुछ बच्चे को मैं अनम्यूट करती हूँ तो वे बोलते नहीं इसका मतलब ये पढ़ते नहीं है आइए नेक्स्ट डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन ऑटोट्रॉप्स एंड हेटरोट्रॉप्स दिस इज अनदर क्वेश्चन
Ma'am, can I say?
एक मिनट बेटे
ma'am
नहीं
I also know
सारे बच्चों को चांस
Ma'am, I want to say something.
अनुष्का कुमारी 6G difference between the autotrophs and heterotrophs
The green plants which prepare their own food are called producers or autotrophs.
yes
Animals that cannot prepare their own food are called consumers or heterotrophs.
मैम थोड़ा छूट गया
Ma'am, can I say properly?
एक मिनट
Ma'am, can I say?
पहले उसको बोलने दो
Ma'am, can I say?
example of autotrophs
Ma'am, example autotrophs are tiger, deer, etc.
Okay, all green plants. Autotrophs. Heterotrophs.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, animals.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say properly?
Ma'am, can I say?
अनुष्का वत्स और आदित्य सिंह, कौन बोलेगा? अनुष्का
Ma'am,
वत्स.
Anushka
Aditya
Vats.
Singh. Ma'am, Aditya
Yes, ma'am.
Singh.
अच्छा, कोई एक
Ma'am,
बोलो.
Aditya
Ma'am,
Singh.
autotrophs. Ma'am, autotrophs.
The green.
Ma'am,
The
auto
green
equal to
plant.
other, troph equal to food.
कोई एक.
Producers plants. Ma'am, मैं बोल रही हूँ.
अच्छा, अनुष्का वत्स को बोलने दो. आदित्य सिंह वेट. हाँ, बोलो अनुष्का वत्स.
Ma'am, autotrophs. Auto equal to other, troph equal to Ma'am,
हाँ, से. एक मिनट. अनुष्का
ma'am,
वत्स.
auto equal to self, troph equal to food.
Yes.
Producers plants which make their own food. Ma'am, hetero equal to other, troph equal to food. Consumers, plants and animals cannot make their. Sorry, ma'am. Plants and human. Ma'am, sorry.
Can I say?
Animals and human beings cannot prepare their own food.
Ma'am, can I say?
आदित्य
Ma'am,
सिंह.
can I say again? Ma'am, can I say again clear?
No, ma'am. I have to say.
Give you chance. आदित्य सिंह.
I want
Yes,
to say.
thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, the green plant which prepare their own food are called autotrophs and producer. Example, all green plants.
Yes.
Heterotrophs. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They have to depend on plants for their food. They are called heterotrophs and consumers. Example, animals.
Yes, very good answer. Next, difference between decomposers and scavengers. मैं जिससे पूछूंगी वही जवाब देगा. Difference between
Ma'am, I want to say.
decomposers and scavengers. एक मिनट, मैं जिससे पूछूंगी वही जवाब देगा. आइए संगम. संगम. Difference between.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Difference between decomposers and scavengers. इसके बाद फहद अहमद तैयार रहना आंसर देने के लिए.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
decomposers, ma'am, organisms which derive their food from dead and decaying plants and animals, they are called decomposers.
हाँ, scavengers.
Ma'am, scavengers. Ma'am, animals like jackals, crows, vultures, and kites, they help in making the environment clean. They are called scavengers.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to say again.
नहीं नहीं. फहद
Aditya
अहमद.
Singh.
फहद अहमद.
Yes, ma'am.
Again say difference between decomposers and scavengers.
Decomposed organisms that derive their food from dead and decaying plants and animals, they are called decomposers. Scavenger animals and birds which consume dead bodies of animals are called scavenger. Example of decomposers are some bacteria, and the example of scavenger are vulture and eagle.
Chalo, very good answer. आइए next question. Difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials with one example.
Ma'am, can I tell?
मैं जिससे एक मिनट बेटे पहले सबको चांस मिलना चाहिए. First, I will ask questions from एक मिनट. रिया राज 6G. रिया राज 6G. एक मिनट. रिया राज.
Ma'am, I want to say.
एक मिनट. रिया राज आंसर नहीं देने. आस्क टू.
मैम जो बच्चे नहीं बोलते मतलब मैम वो लोग याद नहीं करते हैं.
हाँ, वो लोग याद नहीं करते. रिया राज. Say the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials with one example.
Biodegradable material which are broken down into simpler substance by microorganism called biodegradable. Example, paper and cloth. Non-biodegradable material which cannot be broken down into simpler substance by microorganisms are called non-biodegradable.
Yes.
Example, plastic and iron cable.
Yes, very good answer. Very good.
Ma'am, can I say also?
आदित्य सिंह
Ma'am,
से
can I say also?
चलो बोलने दो आदित्य
Ma'am,
सिंह।
can I?
हाँ से
Yes,
बायोडिग्रेडेबल।
ma'am.
हाँ
Biodegradable materials which are broken down into simpler substances by microorganisms are called biodegradable. Example, clothes.
yes
Non-biodegradable materials which cannot be broken down into simpler substances by microorganisms are called non-biodegradable. Example, plastic and iron.
वेरी गुड आंसर। लेकर पूरी याद कर लिए। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Ma'am, can I also tell?
अनुष्का वत्स से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अच्छा बोलो बोलो बायोडिग्रेडेबल।
Okay, ma'am.
से अनुष्का वत्स से
Substances which can be broken down into simpler substances by microorganisms are called biodegradable. Example, paper. Non-biodegradable substances can be broken down which cannot be broken down by microorganisms are called non-biodegradable materials. Example, plastic.
yes very good. Next question, Amisha Kumari from next question, Amisha Kumari. How does decomposition of dead animals turn out to be useful? How does decomposition?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know the answer.
First I
Yes,
will
ma'am,
ask
I know
question.
also.
एक मिनट, फर्स्ट आई विल आस्क क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अमीषा कुमारी से। आदित्य सिंह, कहीं से आवाज आ रही है तुम्हारे घर की तरफ से? फिर मैं आप
नो मैम, नो मैम।
अमीषा
मैम,
कुमारी,
अनुष्का के घर से आ रही है। मैम, मेरे घर से नहीं आ रही है आवाज।
अमीषा कुमारी से द आंसर। How does
Can you repeat the question?
How does decomposition of dead animals turn out to be useful?
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute. Amisha Kumari, you don't know the answer?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
एक मिनट
Ma'am, I want to say.
एक मिनट। अंजलि कुमारी 6G। अंजलि कुमारी 6G, वो भी अपने आप को म्यूट कर ले। मैं इधर से अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ, वो अपने आप को म्यूट कर ले रही है।
मैम, इट मीन्स उसको नहीं आता होगा।
अंजलि कुमारी, अंजलि 6G, say the answer. How does say the answer. How does decomposition of dead animals turn out to be useful? 1 minute, Aditi Singh, I will give you a chance.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ
Ma'am, can I say?
एक मिनट, अगेन एक मिनट। फहद अहमद, do you know the answer? Say Fahad.
Ma'am, which question?
Anjali Kumari, you know the answer?
No.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Ma'am, I know.
Anjali,
I also know.
Anjali, एक मिनट। Anjali, how does decomposition of dead animals turn out to be useful? Anjali.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, बता रहे हैं. Ma'am, decomposer break down the dead and declining plants and animals into materials that get mixed up with the soil. These materials are again used by the plants from the soil.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Say Aditya Singh.
Ma'am, can I say?
हाँ, say Aditya Singh.
Okay, ma'am. Decomposition of dead animals turn out to be useful because whatever minerals released from decomposition of dead animals, it mixed up with soil and increased the fertility of soil. When plants grow, these minerals used up by the first plants for photosynthesis.
Yes, very good answer. आदित्य सिंह का आंसर बहुत अच्छा है। फहद अहमद, you know the answer? Same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Say Fahad Ahmad.
Decomposition of dead animal turn out to be useful because whatever mineral released from decomposition of dead animal, it mixed up with soil and increase the fertility of soil. When plant grow, these minerals used up by the plant for photosynthesis.
Yes, very good answer. Okay. अब आइए next question from Ayush Raj 6I. Ayush Raj 6I.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is rainwater harvesting a ray of hope for overcoming the present scarcity of water in cities? Ayush Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
say answer.
Rainwater harvesting is a way of collecting rainwater for day-to-day use. Rainwater harvesting can supplement the requirement of water in cities and raise the subsoil water level. This can help in maintaining and increasing greenery in urban areas, so that the rainwater harvesting is a ray of hope.
Yes, very good answer.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I also say?
I
Ma'am,
want
Aditya Singh.
Anushka, what?
Ma'am, Anushka, what?
Anushka, what say?
It is a ray of hope for overcoming the present scarcity of water cities because water can supplement the requirement of water in cities and raise the subsoil water level.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I say Aditya Singh?
हाँ, say.
Ma'am, my answer is right or wrong?
Anushka, what's your voice is not coming clearly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say again?
Again say. Anushka, what's again say?
Ma'am, please mute all participants.
एक मिनट, हाँ मैं
Ma'am.
mute कर रही हूँ. एक मिनट अनुष्का.
मैम मुझे म्यूट कर दीजिएगा. मैम आदित्य सिंह को म्यूट रखिएगा. मैम अनुष्का वर्ड्स आल्सो
म्यूट रखिएगा.
एक मिनट. Anushka, what's again say this answer? Why the rainwater harvesting a ray of hope for overcoming the present scarcity of water in cities? Anushka, what? Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
It is a ray of hope for overcoming the present scarcity of water in cities because water can supplement the requirement of water in cities and raise the subsoil water level.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I say Aditya Singh? Ma'am, it is correct. Ma'am, correct.
कुछ इसमें और ऐड करना पड़ेगा. आदित्य सिंह, say your answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Rainwater harvesting is the method of capture water when it rains. These water can be collected in talk and after filtration and purification, it can be used later. In this way, it can be fulfilled the demand of water. Cities will not suffer from scarcity of water.
Yes. Anushka was something कुछ और उसमें ऐड करनी होगी. You have to add some lines on it. Anushka, what? समझ में आया?
Ma'am, how many lines? Ma'am, how many lines?
1 and 2 lines you have to add in it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer is correct or not?
Yes, Aditya Singh, your answer is correct. आइए.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
हाँ, Ayush Raj, your answer is correct. अब आइए उत्पल.
Ma'am, Anushka, what?
Anushka, what? You have to add 1 or 2 lines more. Okay. थोड़ा उसमें और ऐड करना पड़ेगा. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
अनुष्का वर्ड्स आपने खुद से लिखा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Your answer is not wrong, but you have to add some more lines. Okay.
मैम आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही है. क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
मेरी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है. अब आ रही है?
मैम repeat again. Yes, ma'am. Repeat again. Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट. अब आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am. Repeat again.
हाँ. एक मिनट children. Again, I am asking next question from Utpal class 6B. Why yes, do buffaloes? Utpal. एक मिनट children. मेरी आवाज आ रही है clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do buffaloes cool themselves in water during summer? Utpal.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Why do buffaloes cool themselves in water during summer? Utpal. Say the answer.
Self cool in water during summer because buffalo are black in color and do not have efficient sweat gland.
Again say the answer. फिर से बोलो.
Buffalo cool themselves in water during summer because buffalo are black in color and do not have efficient sweat gland.
Efficient नहीं, efficient. Sweat gland.
Ma'am, can I say Aditya Singh?
Say answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Utpal,
buffaloes.
एक मिनट. Utpal, your answer is correct, not wrong. आदित्य सिंह सब
Yes,
कुछ
ma'am.
याद किए हुए हैं, इसलिए आदित्य सिंह he wants to say. Say
Ma'am, can I say?
say.
Ma'am, Aditya Singh. Ma'am, buffaloes are black in color and do not have efficient sweat glands. Hence, they feel the heat more and need to cool. Thus, buffaloes cool themselves in water during summer.
Yes, very good answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
हाँ, say Anushka once. You also say the answer.
Buffaloes cool themselves in water during summer because they do not have efficient sweat glands and they are black in color.
Okay, and black in color. चलो, okay.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
हाँ, your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Again, I am asking some questions.
Okay, ma'am, thanks.
Okay. Define. Next question is from. Define respiration. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name? आयुष कुमार सिंह. एक मिनट, रामालोक सर का नंबर है, उनसे बात करो, अभी मैं क्लास ले रही हूँ. हाँ. Next question from 1 minute, children. 1 minute, children. 1 minute. Define respiration from Lohit Rao. Lohit, define respiration.
मैम, उत्पल के घर से आवाज आ रहा है.
मैं उसको म्यूट कर दी.
ओके मैम.
ए लोहित, define respiration. ए लोहित, define respiration.
मैम, वो अपने आप को म्यूट कर लिया.
म्यूट कर ली.
मैम, कैन आई टेल?
एक मिनट. आयुष राज, define respiration.
Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination.
अच्छा, आपने pollination का आंसर दे दिया. अच्छा, my question is define respiration.
मैम, कैन आई टेल?
अनुष्का, वेट. जब बच्चे नहीं देंगे तो तुमसे और आदित्य सिंह से पूछा जाएगा आंसर. ओके. अर्निशा कुमारी 6B. Arnisha Kumari 6B, define respiration.
Respiration to chapter 9.
Arnisha Kumari 6B, define respiration. आपको आता है या नहीं आंसर? अर्निशा कुमारी से.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the answer.
Respiration to chapter 9 का टॉपिक है.
नो मैम, चैप्टर 1 का है.
चैप्टर 1 में भी रेस्पिरेशन है, चैप्टर 8 में भी रेस्पिरेशन है, चैप्टर 9 में भी रेस्पिरेशन है. You know what?
मैम, कैन आई से आदित्य सिंह?
1 minute.
मैम, कैन आई से अनुष्का वत्स?
एक मिनट. दो बच्चे तो बहुत जवाब दे रहे हैं, लगता है दोनों बच्चे बहुत पढ़ते हैं. और इधर अर्निशा, do you know the answer?
Ma'am, a process by which living things produce energy food
Again.
is called, ma'am, a process by produce energy.
Produce energy. Arnisa, the process
Yes,
by
ma'am.
which living beings produce energy is called respiration. This is your answer, Arnisa Kumari. Okay, Anushka, what's your answer?
Ma'am, during the process of respiration, we take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, can I say Aditya Singh?
Ma'am, my answer is correct or wrong?
But Anushka, what's again? Repeat the answer. Define respiration.
Ma'am, during the process of respiration, we take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide.
This is called as breathing, not respiration.
Respiration is a process.
Ek minute, Aditya Singh, say answer.
Okay, ma'am. During the process of respiration, both plants and animals take in oxygen from the atmosphere and give out carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere.
And during this process, there is a breakdown.
Ma'am, during this.
Say. During the process, there is a breakdown of food and release energy.
Okay, ma'am.
And carbon dioxide. It's called respiration. जब तक आप ये नहीं कहोगे during the respiration there is a breakdown of food and release energy, तब तक आपको 0 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. जैसे अर्निसा का आंसर इज करेक्ट. अर्निसा का आंसर सही था. टेकिंग ऑक्सीजन एंड रिलीजिंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज कॉल्ड ब्रीदिंग. जब तक आप नहीं
Okay, ma'am.
जब तक आप नहीं कहोगे, मैंने रेस्पिरेशन का आंसर चैप्टर 9 में शायद था कि चैप्टर 8 में मैंने लिख करके भेजा है. व्हाट इज रेस्पिरेशन? तो रेस्पिरेशन इज द प्रोसेस इन विच देयर इज ए ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड एंड रिलीज. There is a breakdown of food and release, breakdown of food by the help of oxygen and release carbon dioxide, water and energy. The process is called as respiration. मैंने लिख करके स्नैप होमवर्क पर भी डाला है, आप देखोगे आंसर. केवल आप बुक में लिखा हुआ है. It is written in the book.
Ma'am, can I say again?
Repeat the answer.
Ma'am, can I say again?
हाँ, again I am.
Ma'am, Aditya Singh.
हाँ,
Ma'am, can I say?
say Aditya Singh.
Respiration is the process in which there is a breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen that results in the release of carbon dioxide, water and energy.
Yes, this is the correct answer. अगर आप कहोगे respiration is the process in which we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide, this is called as breathing. This is not respiration. मैं बार बार आपको कह रही हूँ, आपके बुक में लिखा हुआ है taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Taking oxygen, the respiration is the process in which we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. उसके बाद वो ऐड किया है during this process carbon dioxide gas is released and energy and carbon dioxide gas is released. When you not mention energy released, जब तक आप वर्ड एनर्जी रिलीज्ड को नहीं मेंशन करोगे, यू विल गेट 0 मार्क्स.
Can I tell again?
हाँ, say Anushka was answer.
Ma'am, during the process of respiration, there is a breakdown of food which release energy, carbon dioxide and oxygen.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute children. 1 minute.